In Chapter 3, we're going to be learning about expressions and equations. When you were in 6th grade, we briefly covered this topic, and so let's go ahead and take a look back at what you should have learned in 6th grade about expressions and equations. What you already know. An algebraic expression is an expression that may contain numbers, operations, and one or more symbols. The parts of an algebraic expression are called terms. In 6th grade, we also learned how to evaluate algebraic expressions, which also means solve them. To evaluate an algebraic expression, we would substitute a number for each variable and then use the order of operations to find the value of the numerical expression. For example here, we have evaluate 3x minus 14 when x equals 6. So the first step we would do is we would substitute in 6 for x, and then we need to follow the order of operations, and we know that we need to multiply and then subtract to get our solution. In 6th grade, we also learned how to write algebraic expressions. There's a lot of words that imply mathematical operations and can be written as an algebraic expression. For example, the total number of t and 11. Total is our key word that tells us we're going to add, so this expression can be written as t plus 11. Now let's take a look at what we're going to learn in Chapter 3. We're going to spend 2 to 3 days working on Section 3.1, and in this section we're going to learn what like terms are, how we can combine like terms, and how we can simplify an algebraic expression. We're going to be spending 2 days working on Section 3.2, and in this section we're going to learn how to add two linear algebraic expressions vertically and horizontally, as well as we're also going to learn how to subtract two linear algebraic expressions vertically and horizontally. We're going to be spending 2 to 3 days working on Section 3.3. In this section, we're going to learn what is an equation and how to solve equations using addition, as well as how to solve equations using subtraction. In Section 3.4, we're going to spend another 2 to 3 days working on this section, and we're going to learn how to solve an equation using multiplication, as well as how to solve an equation using division. Lastly, for Chapter 3, we are going to spend 2 to 3 days reviewing everything. If you have questions, a great place to share them is on our class discussion board. I myself will be checking this multiple times a day to respond to any questions that you still may have. Our Chapter 3 quiz will be open for 2 days, and you can take the quiz anytime during those 2 days. You'll have an hour and a half to complete the entire quiz. Good luck with Chapter 3, and I look forward to going over everything with you.